We just want to understand. They're the ones that said anyone who visit Sewanyana must first get clearance from them.
Yes.
Sure.
This is what I'm communicating to.
Could we also receive guidance in regard to that very law?
Pardon?
In regard to that very law, can we get more guidance?
I'm not a lawyer, sir.
But you are not.
But please get clearance from prison headquarters. You have no problem.
Okay,
Why
is it
else?
possible to talk to the hospital authorities here to know?
Yes. Yes. You can go to the administration.
What about the high-ranking officer of prisons here and here? Because still, office is not the other person.
Yeah.
And by prisons, every prisoner must have a high-ranking officer of prisons. Can we talk to that one here?
Please either go to the administration of the hospital or pick what I'm telling you. As simple as that.
Yeah, because we're seeing the prison officers.
They are there. Yes.
And I know by law, one of them has that authority, not you.
If you are doubting me, please, I'm sorry. But I've communicated.
Thank you.
And please, my dear journalists, go and get cleared from the administration. Then you can be allowed to do whatever you want. Have I communicated to you? Sir, have I communicated to you?